Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how much is Spotify. Now, how much Spotify is will depend from country to country. As you can see, if I go to upgrade here, and since this country is currently Bangladesh, you can get Spotify Premium for 1 month at just Taka 199. So now if you could do to Taka to USD, right, because dollar is kind of the basic rate right now, so $1 is about 95 taka, 199. So if you do 199 BDT right here, give me a second, 199. So as you can see, Spotify Premium in our country or in Bangladesh is gonna be about $2.09. Now when I used to be in Australia, for me, Spotify used to be around $5 Australian, and that is with my university discount. So if I go over here and I do 5 USD, as you can see, it's 349, and that's with my university discount. So the normal price of Spotify was $10.99. So that would be around 7.59 US dollars. So what I'm trying to say is the Spotify amount, like how much Spotify costs, is very dependent from country to country. You will have to find out what country you're in and if Spotify is supported in your country. And once you find out that, all you got to do is press on that little upgrade right there, and that should give you your all the list. And from here you can check which one you want, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.